Hey there, Mr. Skeen and fellow classmates. I'm Dalton again, and in today's summary I will be talking about what we've learned about the states of consciousness, which is how our brain functions when we are asleep or otherwise. For starters, we learned about the cerebrum being the main functioning part of the brain while we are asleep. This can also infer that this is where the rapid eye movement, or REM, part of our sleep cycle happens, and also where we dream in that REM cycle. And also from Mr. Skeen's daughter's example, we learned that the body has pheromones that it releases that other bodies can pick up, and this causes us to have dreams that may make us think that we can see the future, but in reality it's just us picking up those pheromones that in reality we couldn't see. Next, we made a sleep schedule and what we do before we go to bed and after we wake up, and in this point we learned about the circadian rhythm and how the human body works on a 24-hour 11-minute time period, which is interesting because that 11 minutes causes us to have a growing stack of tiredness and a little bit of exhaustion. And after that, we learned about the internal model, which is how the brain recognizes new information based on old information, so we don't have to relearn everything we see. For example, if we see a new kind of tree, we can infer that it's big, brown, and green. So it's a tree, not something different, not something new. And in the recent days, we've been defining biases for our upcoming paper and saying how they can be seen and perceived by others and by ourselves, and also learning about how logical fallacies play in that part and are kind of a sort of bias, but only in arguments, as Ben might say. And that's pretty much what we've been doing in the past week or so. And thanks again for watching the summary. I'm Dalton again.